Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, we are going to tell you how you can get this $8,000 credit card with no credit check, easy, soft pull pre-approval. Remember that there is a step-by-step guide in this video, means how you can apply this credit card, as well as by watching this video you can also get the opportunity to get free $100 in credit. So remember that, watch this video till the end, and we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification when we upload that video, and please smash that like button as it really helps the channel. So let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is one of the biggest opportunity that you're seeing right now in front of you, and this is from Capital One Bank. Remember, if you have bad credit or no credit, you still have major chances to get this very easy credit card with a handsome credit limit. Remember that there is a link below in the video's description. When you apply through that link, you will get $100 free. Yes, $100 free as a credit when you get approved for this credit card. So let's review this credit card and tell you how you can fill out the application with step-by-step guide. Remember, this credit card is known as Quicksilver One. Quicksilver One is from Capital One. Unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, no matter what, every day, plus get access to valuable benefits. Remember, they said there's unlimited rewards. There's an annual fee of $39, but there's a way to get around that, and we'll let you know in a bit. Remember that there's no credit check, means there's no hard pull when you see that you're pre-approved. So what is pre-approval? First, let's talk about it. Well, pre-approval is that when you fill out the application form, so the company, means Capital One, will do a soft pull, which is equal to no credit check, because there will be no effect on your credit score. When they do that, they will see that either you're eligible for this credit card, and if you are, then they will give you a pre-approval offer. When you click on approve, then they will do a hard pull. But remember that pre-approval means that you are pretty much guaranteed to get that card. You will just need to accept the offer. So remember, this is indeed a very good opportunity. You can see that you are pre-approved or not by clicking on the link below in the video's description and see without affecting your credit at all. Remember, their unlimited rewards, as we already mentioned, is 1.5% cash back. The purchase rate, and there's the APR as well of 28.49%, but we always advise you never carry balance. Remember, there's over one monthly subscription benefit as well. Get up to 6 months of complimentary Uber One membership through 11/14/2024, means pretty much for 2 years. Automatic credit line reviews. Let us tell you about myself. I believe I started this card and I got $300 in credit, and now I'm close to $8,000 if I'm not wrong. Now the credit wise is the one that they use to track your credit score, and they also give you unlimited access to your credit scores and tools that help you to monitor your credit profile. There's fraud coverage, and it happened to me as well. So let us tell you, I went to one of the gas stations and I filled up my tank, and what happened though, when I came home, I saw that I had $0 and someone used the credit card in full. I called them and they actually gave me the credit right away, and they have their own internal investigation and stuff. But you know, I've never heard back from them, but you know, like, it was a very, very, very important service that they offered. Tap to pay, they do have tap to pay, and pretty much after the pandemic it's pretty much everywhere tap to pay, and we recommend you to always use tap to pay. It actually, you know, like in most of the cases it's not even tap, you just need to take your credit card close to the machine and then it will take the transaction. Remember that use the slider to see how much you could earn. Remember, it shows you that how much you spend and how much cash back you can get. For example, my monthly saving is around $10,000, right? So if I spend $10,000, like it's not even going to $10,000, it's only showing me $1,000, but $1,180. So when it comes to 10,000, so I believe if you can 10x of that is $1,800, and that's indeed a pretty impressive cash back every year. Well, remember, you can redeem your cash back for any amount. You can redeem for cash, they can send you a check, or you can apply rewards as a statement credit. You can cover your purchases, means you can apply your cash back directly to cover a recent purchase, or you can get a gift card to give it to someone. Well, we don't recommend that, but yeah, if you really love someone, you can definitely do that. Explore Capital One credit card benefits. As we already mentioned, there's account alerts, monthly recurring transactions, balance transfer, auto pay, authorized user, 24/7 customer service, and yes, we love this. I personally love Capital One credit card because I personally use it so much. And of course, when you go to the link in the video description and you apply through that and you get approved, you're gonna get $100 as a free credit. I mean, you can do whatever you want with that, and this is indeed one of the great perks of being a subscriber of Credit Oaks channel, that we give you all the opportunities that we have to allow you to get extra, or you can say free money from the financial institutions. And this is very, very, very easy step to take and get $100 in free. Well, let's see how the application looks like. So when you click on the link in the video's description, you will see a screen like this. So here's the countdown, 3, 2, 1, and here is the screen. So the screen will look like this, and it says your friend thinks you'll love a Capital One card. Find out if you're pre-approved with no risk to your credit. I love this, like I should make a song out of it. No risk to your credit score. And I love this. I don't want my credit score to have a hard inquiry or anything if I get to know that, you know, like they're not giving me any credit card, right? First I want to see, hey, you can give me a credit card, and they say yes, then you can do a hard pull. I don't mind. But before that, if I want to see that you know, I want to know that I'm gonna get this credit card. So remember that they say, and of course, Credit Oaks is always your friend. Your friend thinks you'll love a Capital One card. Find out if you're pre-approved with no risk to your credit. So let us click and see how the application will look like. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So when you click on it, this one will open, and of course there are the credit cards that you can get approved for, and they're gonna ask you some questions right here, as you can see. For example, for me, I love cashback, so I click on cashback. That's the first step. Then they're gonna ask you for first legal name, middle initial, last legal name, and they're gonna ask you a couple of more questions, and then they will give you a offer of pre-approval if you get approved for it, and there will be no effect to your credit. So thank you so much for all of your love and support. The link in this video description. You can go there, click on it, and get your $100 for free if you get approved for the card. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.